start recording. Okay.
Welcome to our first episode. Here's our new Lego creator that's just arrived in the post. The Parisian Restaurant. 2,469 pieces. Let's open it. How many packets are there going to be in this one? Two number ones, two number twos and two number threes so far. Another number three, that's going to take some building. And another number two. And one little grey base plate. Another number three packet. Wow. And another number two. And first number four packet. We've got the standard grey base plate that's going to fit on all the others, and we've got our booklets. In fact, we've got three booklets. Oh, we've got more packets. Got another number four, another number two. Is that it? No, there's more. That's the great thing about these sets, you just get so much Lego. That's got to be it now. Can't be any left. I think there is. So we've got another number one, some small pieces in number one, and finally number four. All that Lego. Wow. Bargain. How long is this going to take to build? Well, here's the one that we built earlier. So we've got this year's diner. And then we've got the pub with the detective's office above, and then we've got the hairdressers connected on, and then our newest one that we had just recently built is the bank and the laundrette, which is really great. So when we built the Parisian Restaurant, we're going to have another one for our town. Can't wait. We'll be back when we built it. See you later.